Hello everyone, it's James from Buckle and Shackle, and today I'm going to show you Cinderwing 3D's Infinity Dragon. The Infinity Dragon is modular and comes with 16 different pieces, including 3 tail types, 2 head types, 4 different forks, 1 single link, 3 segments for the body or tail for 4, 8, and 26 pieces, 1 foot, 1 wing, and 1 wing socket. Today we're going to be building a long tail, 4 segment, 2 foot, 1 neck, 1 wing, and a flare head. Let's get started. In the past 2 weeks, I've been given the opportunity to play with the model early. The fact that it seems like there are infinite amount of options for everyone to choose from, the Infinity Dragon has an upvote from me. 10 in fact. I'm rating this 10 out of 10, my new favorite dragon from Cinderwing. If you like dragons and seemingly endless options that you get from all these configurations, you can support Cinderwing 3D's My Mini Factory Frontier as of today, October 14th, 2022. Early birds can get a 30% discount, and if you support the Frontier in the first 3 days, you also get this free Cinder coin to print yourself. Please follow Cinderwing for more articulating designs. If you enjoyed this content or love 3D printing, paracord, and jewelry, please like and follow me, Buckle and Shackle. Thanks for watching.